Hello students, I am here to give you instructions on your first project, project number 1. All right, so for project number 1, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. All right, so I am sharing my screen. All right, so project number 1. So first of all, you must select a topic of your choice from the textbook. This is from the chapters that we covered so far, from when school started until now. You're going to research one journal article from the database uh, available to you from the Luna Community College Library website. They have some professional journal databases for you to access. And I want you guys to search the databases and find a professional journal article about the topic you chose. All right. So if you don't know how to do this, you can watch the tutorial video that I've posted on the course tools folder. It's in your Blackboard course. It's right under the Getting Started folder. That's where you can watch the video on how to access the journal databases. You must summarize the journal article. Okay, so after you read this journal article, you're going to need to do a summary, a journal summary on it. And if you never done a summary before, then I would contact the tutoring services over here at Luna Community College so they can help you with what you need to do to write a summary. The summary must be at least 1 page in length, 12 size font, and double spaced. So it's not a long summary, it's very concise. Just uh, tell me what the what the basic what the article is basically about, and what your response is to it. Like, did you enjoy it? Did you learn from it? Um, and make sure that you do have a bibliography page. What that is, it's a page at the end that shows all your references in APA citation style. Okay, so if you don't know how to do APA citation style, there's also a tutorial video in the course tools folder for you to watch, and it explains the basics on how to do APA citations. So pretty much telling me where you got this information from. What what was the journal article? Who wrote it? When was it written? This is what you need to put on your bibliography page. You must submit your journal article summary on the Project One link in the Assignments tab. So you're going to go to your Assignments section of your Blackboard class, and that's where you can click on Project Number One, and that is where you're going to be able to upload it to Project Number One as a Word document or a PDF format. Those are the only two formats that I'm going to be accepting, because if you upload it in like a weird mobile phone format or whatever, I won't be able to read it, and see, I won't be able to grade it. So the two standard formats is Word document or PDF. So send it to me in one of those formats. All right, I'm going to be grading your project number 1 with this rubric here. Okay, so there's good, fair, and poor. So I'm going to go with this criteria. The summary of the article, is it summarizing the ideas and the facts of the article? Depends how well you write it, and I'll be giving you 25 points if it is good. Grammar and organization, so make sure you spell the words right, make sure you put the period and commas where they go, and if that is done good, then I'll give you 25 points. Mechanic, if the paper is in the appropriate format, if the margins are good, if it's neat and nice, then I'll give you 25 points. If it's required, the required length, I told you it should be at least 1 page. So if it's at least 1 page, then I'll give you 25 points. If it's less than 1 page, if it's just like 1 paragraph, you're going to get a poor grade on that portion there. Okay, so that's how I'm going to grade it. And if you have any questions or concerns, please send me an email on the Blackboard email, or you can visit me during virtual office hours.